Hey, Tony and Corey here, your weekend warriors. We are on location today, right here in Tualatin, Oregon, on a nice, rainy Oregon day.
I absolutely love the weather. I am not complaining at all.
We got an invitation from Lori Barton, the Director of Marketing, to come check it out today, and we're super excited.
We are going to see a tool that's manufactured specifically for saving people's digits, protecting people from injury.
Come check it out with us. Thanks for having us out.
Yeah, thanks for coming in. I'm excited to tell you about the compact table saw.
You've been making this product for 20 years.
We've been making table saws for 20 years, but this compact table saw has been on the market for less than a year. The exact same safety technology as our big cast iron saws, just now in a more compact portable unit.
Yeah, this is the brand new one, just came out last year. We are excited to get our hands on one.
The saw itself is $8.99. The stand comes separately, and that's just because not everybody needs a stand. They can use it as a benchtop unit. The reason why we built this is to be much more compact, portable. The start of Sawstop came from Steve Gass. He's our founder and the inventor of the safety technology. He came up with the idea in 1999. He was a woodworker and thought that there's got to be a better way. The table saw is the most dangerous power tool that there is. There's a table saw accident once every 9 minutes in North America. 1 out of every 10 of those is going to result in an amputation. It's a real problem. The way that the safety technology works is this is the brake. It's sort of the brains of the operation. This is what it looks like once it's activated. This sends an electrical signal through the blade. When something that is conductive comes in contact with that blade, it interrupts that signal, and that's what tells the brake to trigger. It stops the blade and drops it below the surface of the table so that there's no additional risk, all in 5 milliseconds or less.
So fast.
10 times faster than an airbag. I think people think of an airbag as being instantaneous, but it's 10 times faster than that. If you have one Sawstop, you can use the replacement brake on all of them.
So instead of losing a finger, you lose about 150 bucks.
The brake is around $100, and then whatever the cost of your blade was. As you can tell, this is high quality materials. It's very robust, and it has to be that robust to be able to take the impact repeatedly of a brake activation. Replace the blade and brake, and then you're ready to go again.
This is super portable. This can be moved anywhere very easily.
We work with contractors all day, every day, and I think they would really appreciate being out on a job site, and especially in a remote area by themselves, not having to worry about the kind of catastrophic accident that could come with not using a Sawstop.
How many saws do you think have been manufactured in the last 20 years?
Oh, it's probably around 250,000 now.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
We ask people to send back their brake if they've had an activation. If they have had a finger save, we'll send them a replacement brake for free. We estimate that it's been thousands of fingers saved.
Something you said to me a little while ago. The safety feature of this saw is cool.
Yeah.
It's great. You might use it, you might save a finger. But more importantly than that, the quality of this just as a table saw is really top notch. Like, you guys win awards.
There's a number of really great features. It has a high-low fence that allows you to extend your work surface out here so it works as a shelf. That's the other thing, is that it's got like the push stick, a storage place for it. It's not why you buy the saw, but people really like the storage feature on the back. Something that's unique to the CTS that other folks don't have is it's got this quick tilt bevel adjust, but then you're also able to do a micro adjust feature.
Oh,
here.
look at that.
So you can get it within 1 degree. Once you've got it generally where you want it, you can really dial it in. We program them here, every single brake.
Some parts of the technology you just can't let somebody else do.
No, we don't outsource safety.
Right,
You know, that's sort of who we are. We're about protecting woodworkers, so we take it very seriously.
Yeah.
When you first turn on the saw, it'll go through diagnostics, and so it'll be flashing green and red. And when it goes to solid green, that's when you know the safety system is engaged, it's ready to go. We try to be really thoughtful. Surprisingly, we're actually really known for our instruction manuals.
Oh, really?
On our cast iron saws. It's ready to go right out of the box.
I just have to say this, you are a local, and we drove, what, 20 minutes to get here? It's such an awesome story, and the product is so unique and contributing to the well-being of everyone who would use it.
Yeah, everything is designed and engineered here in Tualatin. We're excited you could come by.
What's going on down here?
Can't show you that, top secret.
Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons down below and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos.
And check out the Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show wherever you listen to your podcasts.
We'll see you next time.
It's a fall day, a rainy Oregon fall day. And you know what? We love it. We love it.